see. Am I live? Yeah, this is a possible bounce area for GME. Guys, and our chart worked out perfectly. I mean, wait, what happened to this image? I think we gotta go on the daily to get this image. Go back to the 5 minute. Guys, remember our plan on the last video? Holy shit. I mean, did the plan not work perfectly? We had our trend short, we had our distribution, we had our spring, we came out, retested the channel, and then fucking mooned. I mean, was it coincidence that deep fucking value posted? Probably, but I mean. So, we have these two levels. This is a possible rebound level here, because this was the previous gap fill. So we had a gap at 27. Let me take off this rolling VWAP. Just trash that. So we did have this gap fill at 27. So if we came back, we retested this gap. This could possibly be a bounce area. Let's look at AMC. Let's see, AMC if we bump. Yeah, so AMC did a little bit of the same thing. We did have a gap here at around, I mean, that gap was at 479 all the way down to, possibly 475. So we bounced around there. What did we bounce at? Yeah, so this is another bounce area. If we can break this gap to the upside, it's probably another bounce area for AMC. Let's see, this is a little bit of a weird pattern. Let me go to my other GME chart and you just see something. Guys, did y'all see Berkshire Hathaway? The shit went to fucking zero. Shit went to fucking zero. Let me pull this shit up real quick. This shit is hilarious. I mean, obviously it's a it's some kind of glitch, but guys, what the fuck? I mean, is this coincidence? Is this coincidence? So AMC and GME get halted. Is this coincidence that, Berkshire Hathaway just fucking goes to fucking zero? I mean, that's a little weird. It's a little weird if you ask me. I don't know if that's coincidence or... Yeah, everyone's posting about it. Has been halted down 99.97%. Holy fucking Christ. There's no way that's real. I mean, so so GME is still following. So let me zoom out. I need to make these lines a little bit more clear for y'all. Yeah, let me do the more opacity. Boom. Make that white. Okay, that's fine. Increase that for y'all. So GME is still following this. It's called a fib channel. So we should be able to ride this fib channel up to these higher price targets. Let's see if we mooned in June. If we mooned right now, it could take us to $800. So I would be targeting the top of this purple channel right here. If we zoom all the way out, I mean, you can kind of just see more of what's happening. If I remove the fib channel, you can kind of see what's going on here. Let me remove. So we have, I put two, pitchfork channels, and they're tracking, tracking pretty nicely. Wait, something's wrong here. What the hell? Yeah, that's better. What the hell? I think this line got messed up for some reason. So we have two channels going on here. We bounce off a white channel, and now I'm targeting the top of the next. So if we're able to break the top of this, we used it as resistance, this purple channel. If we're able to come up and break it, the purple and the white channel, then I think we can target the top of this purple channel at around $800. So obviously I'm going to keep y'all updated if we break the top of this purple channel. If we go down to the 5 minute, what's going on here? To change charts back to that's not it. Yeah, we bounced. So yeah, that was our target for a bounce area. Was the bottom of the previous gap. I mean, the top of the previous gap right here. So anyways, our final target for this little run up, wherever it is around $98. So let me go back to the daily. So I think this is the beginning of a 5-wave move to the upside. So we have our wave 1, our wave 2, and then for wave 3 we have the 1.618 extension of this wave 1. So this would be around $97. We'd see some kind of retrace and then a final wave 5 move to the upside. So that's currently what we're looking for going into this week. Can't believe they halted us, man. That's just insanity. I don't know. I don't believe in coincidences. I just don't believe in coincidences that, we wake up, GME, AMC halted, and then Berkshire Hathaway goes to fucking zero. Something's going on here. The New York Stock Exchange Equities is investigating technical issues after multiple stock halts, down 99%. So, gold. Let's get gold. I'm with gold. Gold, would it be under XAU? I mean, I'm not seeing it. Oh shit. What the hell? Some crazy shit. Let's check out the options chains. So this on AMC. Do show all. Let's do, this is June 2021. 90,000 contracts. If you go to GME, let's go to all. Let's see, June. $137,000. Holy fucking Christ. So AMC, we did bounce off that gap. You have some kind of channel like this going on here. Guess this would be more appropriate. Bring that down there, yeah. So I guess we did kind of hit the top of this channel. Failed breakout, came down. Now we're trying to move our way back into it. So yeah, our next target is to break above this upper trend line here and stay above. What the fuck is happening? This is some crazy shit. Dude, when AMC got halted, I checked my broker and I looked at my calls and like all my calls went to 0. Dude, I had like a mini heart attack, dude. I was like, what the fuck just happened?
Why are you still trading options and hoping the stock goes into your direction? And those useless indicators don't help.
Alright, buddy. Let's see, I do want to check out this chart. So, that only takes us around $80. Hold on, we're pumping again a little bit. Yeah, we should at least go to fill this gap again at 37 today. And now we're back in the channel. We should be able to retest top of the channel. Let me just go to GME. Alright, I'm gonna be back in a couple minutes. Just ask any questions in chat if you want. Just gonna play some music and chill out for a little bit. See if something else happens. Yo, what's up, Ace? You're way more bullish on AMC than GME? You know, it's kind of hard because GME was, you know, kind of like the initial play, and, you know, obviously with, you know, Roaring Kitty posting his $200 million position, you know, AMC is going to be a bit of a lagger. It's going to be a bit behind. And, you know, GameStop is in a better position financially as well. You know, they have $2 billion in cash. They have less debts. And also, you know, we have Adam Aaron, who keeps diluting the stock, which, I mean, GME diluted, but I don't really know why they did that. I guess to raise more cash. I mean, I'm still extremely bullish on AMC. Just not as much as GME. GME never really. So if we go to GME's, let me just change charts here. I mean, if we go to GameStop's chart, GameStop kind of maintained structure. So they maintain the structure from the initial pump. So that's extremely bullish, and we maintained this channel. This white channel that you see here. In AMC, we kind of, I mean, we dumped horribly. I mean, we like dumped way past the initial pump. So like we have to break barriers to the upside. Like, we have to break a bunch of these levels, in which GME can kind of just fly to the upside. I mean, GME doesn't have any resistance, pretty much. I mean, if it breaks this channel, I mean, it should literally just be able to fly to $800. I mean, it sounds ridiculous. It does sound a little crazy, but I think that it makes sense. AMC, it's like it has a lot of work to do, and has like a lot of resistance going to the upside, which, you know, that's why I have targets around $130 for AMC, but for GME I have targets around, you know, $800. And, you know, those are like my outlandish targets, you know, my unrealistic targets. I mean, I say unrealistic, but I do post technical analysis to kind of support that, but at the end of the day, it's like you can't be expecting it to go to $800. I mean, that's just like insane. But so GME, I think, went through what's, you know, called a, you know, reaccumulation trading range, which, I mean, I posted right here. You can see. So this is reaccumulation trading range. You know, this Wyckoff schematic. So you have your initial run up, you have your reaccumulation, then you keep running. So with GME, we have, from an Elliott wave perspective as well, the zigzag pattern, you know, bear market, ABC wave. So you have A, B, and C, and then within this ABC, you have your impulsive move. You have what's called a zigzag correction, and then you have your C wave. So within this zigzag correction, you have 5-wave move to the downside, ABC correction in the middle, and then to complete it, an additional 5-wave move to the downside, which we completed. So I think in this C wave, we're gonna see another zigzag correction to the upside. I think this is the beginning of a 5-wave move. So we have 1, 2, third wave targets. Our next target is $97 to $98. So that's our next target. That's our next fib target. Around 97 bucks on GameStop. Then we should see some kind of ABC correction in the middle before an additional 5-wave move to the upside. AMC is a little bit less bullish, only because we have to break back into this channel. Like AMC has a lot of work to do, while GME can kind of just fly to the upside. So this one's a typical Wyckoff schematic. You have your trend long distribution, then trend short, and now we have to break back into this channel, this 2-year-long channel that we have down here. So we have to break around $6-7 at the bottom of the channel, top of the channel around $20-$23, and then we have this horizontal zone at $130. So that's my final target, is 130 for AMC, and then GME's final target at around $800, depending on when we pump. But yeah, I mean, $800 is ridiculous. I mean, we kind of got to be realistic at some point. Let's check on Berkshire Hathaway again. Actually, leave that one. What's crazy is they're not able to fix it. I mean, like, what happened, you know? Like, how does it just glitch like that? I mean, what is... And you gotta kind of think that... How does a glitch like this even occur? Like, they're controlling the price. That's, this is how you know all this shit is, like, fucking manipulated, because... If you have thousands of different exchanges, and they're all trading this stock independently, right? If they all have, like, this actual stock that people are trading back and forth, how is it that, like, on every exchange it can just go to zero? Like, it's like, it's not a glitch, it's like, it's fucking manipulation. Like, I mean, really, if you think about it for a second, like, if you created a fake market, like, let's just say we started trading, like, sticks together, right? So we're trading a stick on the ground for, like, $5 each. If we're all trading these sticks independently, how the fuck does a glitch just send everything to zero? It doesn't make sense. Like, this shit is all connected. It's all manipulated. Let's see, June. Let's see if we hit this intersection. That would be in December, though. I mean, honestly, that would make sense. Honestly, that would kind of make sense, because you would see some kind of initial run up, maybe some kind of like corrective or accumulation pattern, and then we'd see the other run up maybe at the end of the year. So I mean, that's not totally out of the picture that you could see something like run up, maybe some kind of like pennant, and then hit your final target, which could take several months. I mean, we're getting a little bit too ahead of myself, so we gotta get to 97 first. Gotta get to 97. Let's zoom into the 5 minutes, see what's going on here. GameStop short sellers set to lose basically $1 billion since Friday's close. Jesus Christ, that's insane. Yeah, what can possibly go wrong when you have AI reporting on every market move? I mean, all this shit is manipulated, bro. Like, it's just insanity. Every single stock is manipulated. Short sellers of GME are now down over $1 billion. Yeah, that's just that is just insane. And you know what's weird is that gold, for some reason, gold got. Wait, which one was I just looking at? Let's see, gold. Which one was it? This one. For some reason, gold went to 0 too. And it's weird because it didn't go exactly to 0, which is the weird part. Like, what is this just like random ass number? Like 185.10 cents. Like, why did it go exactly to that price? It's kind of weird. Like, is it random? I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So we came up. So we actually gapped above the gap. We literally were at the bottom of this initial gap on the 24th. So we were right at it, gapped above, shot up, came back and retested the gap. So I mean, I don't think that we're gonna feel it at this point, but I don't know. But our next targets, anyways, are at $98, which is the 1.618 extension of this initial first move up. So that's our next target. Just to reiterate that. Let's see, anything's going on with the options. What's a good volume? 10,000 contracts, 137,000 open interest, which is insane. AMC. Let's see, AMC at the $20 strike. 90,000. — 35,000 at the 15 strike, 43,000 at 27. Honestly, this is less eventful than I thought it was going to be today. Yeah, we did have a 100% pump. I thought there was going to be, kind of more extreme volatility. I mean, this was pretty extreme, but I think we're gonna see more of a final move towards the end of the day. So pretty much we just gotta sit on our hands for a little bit and wait, what happened to my image? Damn. 9 billion in swaps rolling over today. I need my seriously. Yeah, yeah. How did Roaring Kitty get $200 million? I mean, like, I don't think that he made 200 million from the initial run up. You know, I guess my kind of theory is, so he made like, you know, maybe like 50 mil, like 50 mil on the initial run up in 2021. And then if you think about it, if he just bought the dip, you know, before he posted on Twitter, right? So if he bought the dip at like $10 and it went to 80, I mean, if you put like 50 million in, I mean, he could easily have over $200 million. Like, he could have $500,000. Like, so maybe he just bought the fucking dip again. I don't know. I don't know, man. Cause like, yeah, that is some baller shit. But at the same time, it's like, is he selling on us though? Like, he's profiting up his ass on this. Like, he's making millions. Like, he's not hodling, bro. Like, he's not holding this shit. Like, he's buying in, he's selling. Like, this shit is crazy. So we did see a volume increase, which we like to see as well. Let's see. 99.97%. Dude, I had a heart attack with AMC, man. They halted AMC and my options went to $0. Dude, that shit had me like freaked out, man. Alright, I'm gonna chill for a little bit, and I'll come back, and you guys can ask any questions, and or if you want me to go, I have like 3-4 charts that I can go over. So whatever. So I have this AMC chart. We have this chart. Oh shit. We have this harmonic chart for GME. So we got a lot of things we can go over. We can go over anything you guys want, ask any questions, and let's see. 1, 2. Wait, so yeah. Yeah, honestly, so if this is a wave 1, 2, so 2, and then 3, let's see here. If we take wait, let me edit the settings on this. 0.32. So this could be a wave 1, 2, and then 3. Let's see. So, because you know, Elliott wave is fractal. Let's take a measurement from here. So this almost hit the 2.618. Notice if we take it off the wick and we put it on the candle body, I mean, we almost hit the 2.618 extension exactly. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, and then I guess, let's see, if this is a 3, a retrace the level. We literally hit the 0.618. What the fuck? Wait, we hit the 0.618 retrace. Okay, well, that's interesting. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then a 5th wave would be, we could do an extension off of the 3rd wave, so we could hit $53. Interesting. Let me just mark that then. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Ask any questions again, and I'll be back if something happens. Try to keep updated with the news and everything like that, so. Alright.